Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. All right, today we're going to be demoing that off-grid system. Okay, this is the Aims power inverter. It's a 12-volt inverter that has an automatic generator start, AGS. So when you have this generator running and it's a 12-volt, so here's my 12-volt battery. I'm going to be using an AGM battery. I don't want to use a really high storage battery because I want it to kind of run out of power so the AGS can kick in, okay? That's the only reason I'm using the AGM. I would use my lithium battery, but it stores so much power that the AGS might never kick in to demo this thing unless I do a really high draw. And I just want to do a quick test, put this together to show you guys how it works. So I'm connected to the battery, got the positive, negative, that goes to the battery. Then over here, we have a monitor hooked up. As you can see, it's connected right here, the LED remote port. I'm gonna do all the dip switches, make sure I'm on the correct setting. This is where our automatic, let's get that out of the way. This is where the automatic generator start, the AGS, is connected to. We do have a temp sensor. I'm not gonna use it at this time. See, I already have the generator AGS hooked up right here. And this is for the inverter. Same 30 amp output. So that's going to connect from that into this input. Let's go ahead and make that connection. I already got the neutral. You got your line. And your ground. So this right here is your floating ground. If you want a floating ground, you just unplug this. If you want a closed ground, you just connect this. All right, bonded. I mean, a bonded ground, you would connect this. Output power. I'm going to use this 50 amp. This is just a temporary setup, guys, so I can demo this unit. Then we'll get it a little more permanent mounted. We got our output connected. Now I'm going to show you something with this battery. When you're hooking up an inverter, such as this, guys, connect your ground, then get you some kind of light bulb or something. I always use this to get my inverter capacitors charged up. So get your positive side. This is hooked up directly to the positive side, this cable right here. And you get your light bulb, hook it to the positive side, and just kind of charge your capacitors up. Okay, what this does, it prevents that big spark that could actually damage the inverter. So once it's charged up, no more light, just remove the positive and you can safely connect your inverter with no big spark. Okay guys, got your positive. So we got power to the inverter, 12 volt. Everything's hooked up. Let's check our dip switches before we do anything else. Okay. Number 4. Next thing, let's hook up our AGS right here. So we're going to turn the key to the run position and we're going to leave it in eco mode. Let's see what happens. All right, let's hook up some power. Plug this in right here. turn the brakes on. And then the other side. Oh man, wrong side. I need an input side over here. I need to change that because this is the output side. Okay guys, I had to change the wiring because that's the input side. I need an output. Well, actually that's an output. I need an input side. Oops. So I have to switch the end. That's gonna take me a second. Okay. There's a top for the, to cover this up right now. I'm not gonna put the top on because this is temporary test, okay? So this new connector we put, that goes for the generator power. Lock it, put that down out of the way. Okay, so let's do a quick overview. Generator is plugged in with the power. AGS is connected to the generator. Generator key switch is turned on position. I have my output, the input from the generator right here. Battery is connected. Monitor is connected. Battery's right there. I just turn the generator, the inverter on here. First thing, let's go through this real quick. I forgot about my battery. So we have a position 1. Since I have an AGM battery, so you have charge off 0, gel, AGM. So I'm gonna go with AGM 1. So that's 2. So let's go number 2 right here. Okay. So my battery's in 2. And the charge selector. Okay, everything's good. Let's go to on. All right. We do have power. And let's check out the remote. Can you guys see this? Oh, all right, so on the dip switches, one thing I noticed on the dip switches, you have to be very careful. Because on the book, they have it positioned 0, 1. But on the inverter, it's positioned 1, 0. So you can get it flip-flop. That's messed up. I had them backwards. I just fixed them. Everything should be good now. Let's go ahead and turn it on again. Okay. Powering on. Okay, inverter on. Now we have 60 hertz, 120 volts, 60 hertz, 12.5, and that looks great. Okay. All right, let's try to turn that refrigerator up. Oh, there it is. Refrigerator got power now. Turn the fridge on. Instantly the fan came on. Fridge is running. And we're pulling some power. It's pulling 122. So I'm gonna let it run. Let the battery power goes down a little bit. Then I'll see if the AGS comes on. It's real quiet. The fan went back off. Both fans are off. There you go. Oh, look at that. Started the generator and I caught it. Okay. You know what? I think I should get a heavier load. %. Let me get a heavier load, guys. This thing is not pulling enough power. All right. Now I got something pretty much guarantee it's going to overload the and kick that generator on. I got a heater. All right, let me turn it on. First setting. Got just the fan. Let's see where we at. Not too much. Let's put first heater. All right, there you go. 14%. Number 2. 23%. That should pull some power from that. Battery voltage down to 11.4. That should fire the generator. This display goes off real fast. It should be asking for power. That is why I did not want to use the bigger battery, because we'll never get that thing down. There you go. I just turned it all the way up. There you go. Generator just kicked on because it's asking for too much. Nice. Generator came on. Now it finally went to fast charge. Got off inverter mode. It went to AC mode. The heater's working. It says input voltage 122, output voltage 121, battery voltage 13.7, frequency 60, output load is bypassed, no alarm, no fault, work online. So now it's charging the battery. So in this situation, you turn on a load, your battery gets low. If you have enough battery power, it will stay, obviously. Okay, let me put this a little further away. So if you have enough battery banks, if you have enough power in your battery bank, you won't be needing your generator to come on. If your battery goes low, it will automatically start your generator with the AGS, recharge your battery, and keep your load going. Heater still going strong. And it just switched to charge mode. So once the battery is charged, it should turn the generator off and run off your battery again. Okay, so this is a nice project. This is just a quick overview of it. I know you guys have been wanting to see a quick demo of how it starts the AGS. So there you go. Generator's running. Automatically start. So let's try something. Let me turn off the load. Turn the load off. You can see it kick the generator down into eco mode because it doesn't need that much power anymore. So we know what setting we need to be in. Okay guys, this is a quick overview of this system. I think it works great. There's a few bugs I need to figure out. We'll get everything mounted and set up, and I'll do a third video on the system running, powering the house or the RV, okay? Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you guys like this video. Please go ahead and push the subscribe button. Please give me a thumbs up, at least. Push the subscribe button if you like videos like this. Guys, thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye.